सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 304, verse 185. निर्विकल्पसमाधौ तु द्वैतादर्शनहेतुतः सैवापरोक्षविद्येति चेत् सुषुप्तिस्तथा न किम्। Brihadaranyaka mantra analysis is going on in this 7th chapter of Panchadashi. Purvapakshi asking, when Advaita Jnanam is there, Dvaita Adarshanam must take place. Dvaita Adarshana means I should not see any Dvaitam. When I see Dvaita Prapancha, Nama, Rupa, Jewel, natures in the world, as long as I see them, I don't have Advaita Jnanam. Advaita means non-dual. If I have non-dual knowledge, how can I see duality? If I am seeing duality means there should not be any dual Dvaita Darshanam. If I see duality, there should not be Advaita Jnanam. If I have Advaita Jnanam, I should not see Dvaita Darshanam. I should not have Dvaita Darshanam. That is the meaning of Brihadaranyaka mantra. Says, he will not see anything, he will not smell anything, he will not speak anything, he will not think anything. All these statements deserve, when you are listening from the teacher, you get only Paroksha Jnanam. When you go to Samadhi, you don't have Dvaita Darshanam. As Brihadaranyaka says, he will not see anything, he will not speak anything. That is possible where? In Samadhi only it is possible. In Samadhi only Advaita Adarshanam is possible. Therefore, everyone after listening the class also, Panchadashi, they have to go home to get Advaita Jnanam, they have to do Samadhi practice. Because there only you will have Advaita Jnana Prapti totally. Dvaita Darshana Rahita Advaita Jnana Prapti hi Tatra eva bhavati. Putra Samadhau eva. Samadhi Abhyase Kimapi Nasti. I don't see anything, I don't smell anything, I don't speak anything. I don't have any Dvaita Darshanam. And after receiving this Paroksha Jnanam from my teacher, listening Shastra, that knowledge is there in me. In Samadhi, that knowledge is available for me. Dvaita Darshanam is also not there. Advaita Jnanam has come to surface. So, therefore, this is the way you have to interpret. Nobody will get Jnanam when they open their eyes. Therefore, everyone has to do what? Shut their eyes. Go to Samadhi. For that, Vidyaranya says, why you have to go to Samadhi? Tungalame. Go to sleep. You need not go to Samadhi. Samadhi is difficult. Easier method I will tell you. Rather than Samadhi, better you go to Sushupti. Sushuptau tathanakim. Sushupti tathanakim. Tatha means what? In Samadhi there is no Dvaita Darshan, Advaita Aparoksha Jnanam is possible, you said. That is possible in Dvaita Vismruti is possible in Sushupti also. For Dvaita Vismruti only you want to go to Samadhi. That Dvaita Vismruti, forgetting about Dvaita, is possible in deep sleep or not. It is possible. Therefore, Sayeva Vidya Aparoksha Vidya iti. That alone is Aparoksha Vidya. That alone is Aparoksha Vidya means what? Forgetting the Dvaitam alone is Aparoksha Vidya if you consider. Oh, Purvapakshi, Vidyaranya asking him. If you consider Dvaita Vismruti alone is Aparoksha Vidya, that is possible. Vismruti is possible. Dvaita Vismruti is possible in sleep also. Let us take that way. For that, Purvapakshi comes and says, no, it is not possible. We will read 186. 185 is over. Up to here we saw in the last class. Tatha means Aparoksha Vidya. Nakim. Is it not Aparoksha Vidya when you go to sleep? Dvaita Vismruti, where there is, it is Advaita Jnanam, you said. Dvaita Vismruti only you want, that alone is Vidya, go to sleep. No Dvaita Smaranam there. There is a problem, Purvapakshi says. Next shloka, 186. Atma Tattvam na janati Supto yadi tadattvaya Atmadhireva vidyeti Vacham nadvaita vismritihi. Before going to this shloka, I would like to remind the concept of our Advaitam. Whenever I say there is no second thing to see, there is no second thing to smell, there is no second thing to... Like that I am talking. Upanishad is telling there is no second thing. But some students who are all attending from the beginning, for them there is no problem. They understand there is no second thing at all. But some students who are not completed all Upanishads study, those who are not exposed to all Upanishads and many other Prakarana Grandhas, whatever I have taken in other classes, for those students that there may be a difficulty. How can it is possible there is no second thing? Karma nasti, karanam nasti, I am telling. How is it possible? Their intellect may reject. Out of respect they may listen. But how this is possible? Doubt may come. Even those who have attended also, it is doubtful. They also, I think they may be having clarity. If they also don't have, we can't do anything. But if I have not completed the whole thing, because this is an advanced text, I told you this is like a MPhil text. Not even PhD, MPhil. So, there is a difficulty to grasp, to accept where there is no Dvaitam at all. Dvaitam, I see, Nama Rupa. We never negate the experience of Dvaitam. I am reminding what I said already. I never negate the experience of duality. This point we have to recollect, remember. I negate only the reality of the duality. Do you have to underline? We never negate the anubhava of Dvaitam. Dvaita anubhava nishedaha vayam na kurmaha. We are not doing the negation of Dvaitam, anubhava. It is not there, it is not there, there is no second thing means there is no second real thing. There is no second real thing. Dvaita Satyatvam Nishedha only we are doing. Dvaita Satyatva Nishedha. Dvaita Anubhava Nishedha we are not doing. Dvaita Satyatva Nishedha we are doing means what? How you do Dvaita Satyatva Nishedhana? Whatever object you see, whatever name it has got, that form, that name, they are not there really. Paramarthically they are not there. Paramarthically not there means what? Pot, flower, pot. There is no pot. It is my lip movement. Form, anubhava you have. Pot, form, anubhava you have. Flower, anubhava you have. No one can say it is no. There is flower experience, pot experience. You cannot deny, I cannot deny, I need not deny. What is the law? Shastra says, your experiences need not be real. Your pot experience cannot prove the existence of pot really. Because your experience of pot is nothing but experience of clay. Your experience of pot, ghata anubhava, is nothing but mruda anubhava. Ghata anubhava is nothing but kevala mrud anubhava, clay anubhava, clay experience only. Am I right or not? Am I right 100% or 90%? 80%. First I said, pot anubhava, I don't want to negate. I cannot negate, you cannot negate. I said, you are so happy. Then I said, your pot anubhava is nothing but clay anubhava. Mrid anubhavaha eva ghat anubhavaha. Mrid anubhava vyatirikta ghat anubhavaha nasti eva. Other than clay experience, there is no pot experience at all. Then what is pot? Pot is a name on your lip. Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam mrittika ityeva satyam. Flower is also not there. Only stem, petals. Each petal I take out. Show me the flower. All petals assemblage is called flower. Is there a flower without the assemblage of petals? Petals. Petals togetherness. Petals togetherness got the name flower. There is no flower at all. Like that each and every object, cloth, shirt, only fiber, there is no shirt. Each fiber you take, woof and warp, you take out. Where is cloth? Where is shirt? What is desk? Wood alone is desk. Wood alone is appearing as a desk. Therefore, no desk. Similarly, the entire universe, every object, name and form, including our body, flesh and blood. Body, body, body. What is body? Is there a body other than skin, blood, bones? You have given the name body to that blood, bone, skin assemblage. Blood, bone, skin assemblage, you have given body name. There is no body other than this configuration assemblage. Take out their hands, legs, separate intellectually, skin, blood, bones. Where is body? Tell me. Your name is given to that body, but there is no body, nobody. Since there is no body, there is nobody. Since there is nobody, what is your name, fame? You have given name and form. Are they real? Since form and name are, this is called dissection. In science language, medical language, we call it as dissection. Do dissection. Vedantic student also should do some dissection. Part கீழ்ச்சி அப்படியே வைக்கணும். காலு, கண்ணு, கை, முக்கு, தலை எல்லாமே ஒன்று வச்சா நான் யார் இதுல? இது ஒரு கூட்டம். இது ஒரு கூட்டம், assemblage. Matter, atoms put together, an assemblage. And you are thinking that it is real, the name is real, form is real. That is your ignorance, Shastra says. That is why Shastra says entire Jagat, Nama, Rupa, Prapancha is like a pot. Just as a pot, just as a flower, just as this body, just as a desk, just as the cloth, entire universe you have to do. Every object. Where is tree? Tell me. Leaves, branches, roots, trunk, put together. Separate them. Where is tree? Is there a tree object? Is there a fan object? First wing, second wing, third wing, middle portion, rod. Inge fan. Fan illiye. Analyze like this. This is a great task in the sense of practice to be done by every seeker. Then only you can do mithyatva nischayam. Unless you sort out every object wherever you are giving reality, what is its nature? Is it that vastu is there really? Mic you are calling, it is nothing but metal, steel, metal. Wire is not there, it is only just a plastic. All names like that only. Whole dictionary put in Bay of Bengal. That's all. Whole dictionary, all dictionary names. Ouch. Since there are no pada, there is no artha, vastu is not there, pada also meaningless. Pada, artha. Pada is meaningless when there is no artha. Artha means porul. And the porule illenna, and the padam edukkanna, pot is for what? Pot is for what? Pot is for pot, artha, porul. Pot is meant for pot, porul. Pot, porule illenna, pot, padam edukapana. Nice. Nice. What about your name? My name. Aale illenna, and the padam edukku. The body is nothing but a conglomeration of matter. Soft matter, bone is hard matter. Different types of matter. When that artha, porul is not there, what for this name? For whom this name? That is why I say there is no second thing, real thing. Second real thing is not there. Therefore try to understand. How can it be? There is nothing, second thing is not there, second thing. I see only second. I see only second, third, fourth, fifth. That is why there is a difficulty for some students to grasp. That's why I have given this clue. May you all analyze if any one of you have difficulty in falsifying the universe, in seeing the unreality of the universe. You have to analyze this base, what I have given now. It will help to you to do mithyatva nischayam. Therefore, all my Upanishads are available in CDs, cassettes, all are available. You listen. Listen Mandukya. Listen Chandogya 6th chapter, 7th chapter, 8th chapter, all are available. If you listen, you will get clarity. Unless there is a difficulty to understand. Now look into the shloka. Atma tattvam na janati. Now Pura Pakshi, first portion, first half. Yedi suptaha atma tattvam na janati. I said, why to go to samadhi? Vidyaranya is telling. I said, why to go to samadhi? For Dvaita Vismruti. You can understand Dvaita Vismruti. Vismruti means non-perception, forgetting, non-perception, not perceiving, Dvaitam, duality. For non-perception, you need not go to samadhi, you just go to sleep, I said. Then that person will come with an objection. No, in Sushupti, Jnanam is, Aparoksha Jnanam is not possible, only Dvaita Vismruti is there. Moksha means Dvaita Vismruti plus Aparoksha Jnanam, both. Moksha means Dvaita Vismruti as well as Aparoksha Jnanam, both must be there. Purapakshi will come with this answer. Suptaha Atma Tattvam na janati. In sleep, how many of us remember I am Atma? Jagratale namak varla. Dukhatale ennaru. How many of us remember? None of us, even Gnani also do not remember Aham Atma Asmi. However much big Gnani, Variya Varishtaha, however much big Gnani he is, she cannot remember Aham Brahma Asmi, Atma Asmi in deep sleep. And the Aparoksha Jnanam is not available in deep sleep. That is why sleep is not ideal. Sleep avastha is not ideal for moksha. Moksha ideal samadhi. In samadhi no Dvaita Vismruti plus Aparoksha Jnanam, both are possible. If you say so, correct? You come to the என்னோட வழிக்கு வா. இப்போ என்ன சொல்றாரு? He says, then you have to supply one word. Iti uchyate chet. Yadi suptaha atmatattvam na janati iti uchyate chet. If you say so, supply that. Within inverted brackets. The whole sentence, Purapakshis quotation. Yadi suptaha atmatattvam na janati iti uchyate chet. If you say so, sleeping person will not remember that I am Atma. If you say so, tada, then what? Then I will tell you, you have to understand this way. Tada Atma dhihi eva vidya bhavati iti vachyam. Atma vidya, Atma dhihi means Atma Jnanam. In sleep, Atma Jnanam is not available. In Samadhi alone, Atma Jnanam is available. What I have received from my teacher, that I can recollect, I can remember, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Nitya Buddha Suddha Muktaha Asmi, is available in Samadhi. That means Vismruti is not the criteria. Atma Jnanam alone is the criterion. Yes, tada Atma dhihi eva vidya iti vachyam. That means your contention is, you have to say what? Tvaya vachyam. You must say Atma Jnanam alone is vidya. Dvaita Vismruti is not vidya. Dvaita Vismruti, forgetting the Dvaitam is not knowledge. Remembering Aham Brahmasmi is called Jnanam, that is called Vidya. Atma dhihi eva vidya iti tvaya vachyam. It has to be said by you. Atma Tattva Jnanam alone, Atma Jnanam alone is the criterion, not the Dvaita Vismruti. Vachyam, full stop. You should not say what? Dvaita Vismrutihi iti na vachyam. Dvaita Vismrutihi vidya na bhavati iti vachyam. You have to supply few words. After vachyam, you put a full stop. First line and second line, second half full one sentence. Then second sentence you have to do anvaya by supplying few words. Dvaita Vismrutihi na vidya. Dvaita Vismrutihi na vidya bhavati. Vidya na bhavati. Iti ద్వైత విస్మృతి విద్యా భవతి ఇది న వాచ్యం. ద్వైత విస్మృతి విద్యా భవతి ఇది న వాచ్యం. ఆత్మధీహి ఏవ విద్యా భవతి. Forgetting the duality is not knowledge. Attaining Atma Jnanam, self-knowledge alone is called Vidya, Para-Vidya. Forgetting the duality. Forgetting the duality, I can forget in sleep also. I can forget in coma also. Forgetting duality in emergency ward also. In ICU also. Even 20 days, 25 days also. One can forget. Dvaita Vismriti. So, Dvaita Vismriti na Vidya. Vidya iti na Vachyam. You should not say. You should say what? Atma Tattvam, Atma Dhihi, Atma Jnanam alone is Vidya. Because you said in deep sleep Atma Jnanam is not available and solite. Unak Atma Jnanam da navenu. Appa Atma Jnanam da Mukhyam. Tavare Atma Vismriti, Dvaita Vismriti is not Mukhyam. Dvaita Vismrutihi Vidya iti na Vachyam, Atmadhihi eva Vidya iti Vachyam. Have you got the point? I hope I am communicating. So, Jnana Vritti, Jnana Dvaita Vismruti. Jnana Vritti, Dvaita Vismruti. What do you want? Jnana Vritti ki class ku varanam. Dvaita Vismruti ki class ku varanama. Varave venda. வீட்டிலேயே துவைத்த விஸ்மிருதி. விஸ்மிருதி என்ன? மறைஞ்சு போகிறது. என்ன? துவைத்தம், டுவாலிட்டி. அதுக்கு கிளாஸ்க்கு வர வேண்டாப்பா, வீட்டிலே உட்காரலாம். நான் சொன்னானே, எங்கே எனி பிளேஸ் யூ கேன் கெட் துவைத்த விஸ்மிருதி. பட் ஆத்மதீஹி, ஆத்ம ஜானம், ஹவு டிஃபிகல்ட் டு கெட். ஐ ஹாவ் டு புட் எஃபர்ட். தட் கம்ஸ் எஃபர்ட்லெஸ்லி. ஸ்லீப். This comes even in spite of effort, it is not coming. Atmadhihi. Therefore, Atmadhihi alone is the criterion. Next, another doubt. He comes with the doubt again, answer. Ubhayam militam vidyam yadi tarhi gatadayah ardha vidya bhajiнаsyuh sakala dvaita vismruteh. Vidyaranya teasing the Purvapakshi. See, Dvaita Vismruti also is required. Advaita Jnanam, Jnana Vritti, Aham Brahmasmi Jnana Vritti also required. Vidya and Vismruti. Vivi enna? Vive kanduko cholladungo. Vivi enna? Vidya, Aham Brahmasmi iti Vritti, Vidya, Jnanam, Jnana Vritti, plus Dvaita Vismruti. Vismruti, Vidya, both Ubhayam Militam Vidya Yadi. Suppose if you say both put together alone, moksha, Vismruti plus Vidya, rendume irkanum. Appadida adida moksham. Adida aparoksha jnanam. Adi varaku unakku enna jnanam irukku? Only paroksha jnanam. Aparoksha jnanam da moksham. Aparoksha jnanam comes where Dvaita Vismruti and Vidya both should be there. Otherwise it is not possible. That is possible only in Samadhi. In sleep it is not possible. Then he says, Appo full rendu mixed anadane full knowledge. Half knowledge I will show you now. This pot has got half knowledge. 50% of knowledge has got. Enna rendu Dvaita Vismruti, Atmadhi Vidya, both Ubhayam Militam Vidya Bhavati, Aparoksha Jnanam Bhavati, you say, this pot is already half knowledgeable, half realized. In Dvaita Vismruti it is having. Dvaita Vismruti enna, in the pot ki clip theriyuma, pot ki flower theriyuma, in the pot ki desk theriyuma, in the pot ki this knows that person, pot seeing that person, the pot seeing this person, Pot doesn't have Dvaita Darshanam. Pot is not seeing Dvaitam. Pot is not seeing Dvaitam. Pot is not seeing duality. Eppo. All the time. He said Dvaita Vismruti and Atmadhihi Vidya. Both together only moksham, aparoksha jnanam. If you say, my pot is already half realized. Pot is half realized. How it is half realized, tell me? Because pot is having in the rundu, Ubhayamlo, one nirka pot ke. Ubhayam is what? Vismruti, Vidya. Vismruti and Atmadhihi. In the rundu militam the aparoksha jnanam is telling, rendulo one nirka already pot ke. What is that? Dvaita Vismruti. So my pot is already half knowledgeable. Ardhagnani. Ardhagnana irukku pottuke. Ena pakkathile ukkarlam appo. Swamini, you have full knowledge, I have half knowledge. Pot can have ardha moksha undachu pottuke. Enna? Dvaita Vismruti is pot is having. Yedi ubhayam militam vidya tarihi ghatadayaha, ghata etc. Not only ghata, clip also have Dvaita Vismruti, mic also has Dvaita Vismruti. When I am sleeping also I am having Dvaita Vismruti, half moksha for everyone, ghatadayaha etc. objects, ardha vidya bhajinaha. Ardha vidya means 50% knowledge they have. The Dvaita Vismruti alone comes in Jnanam, it is also a part of Aparoksha Jnanam. Every object is already half realized. Artha Vidya Bhajinaha Jakarantaha Artha Vidya Bhajau Shabdaha Bhak Shabdaha Artha Vidya Bhak Bhajau Bhajinaha Pradhama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam Jakarantaha Pullingaha Artha Vidya Bhajau Shabdaha Syuhu. They will become half realized. Why? Sakala Dvaita Vismrutehe. They do not know any dual object. Sakala Dvaita Vismruti is there. In the partiki, unnume theriyadu paapam. So it is great. Why? Dvaita Vismruti is there. Who is great now? Pot is great. Enakku Dvaita Smruti is there. Pottukku Dvaita Vismruti is there. Appo unga pot kuda artha jnanam irukappa. Next further he is teaching. Further he is going to teach. Sakala Dvaita Vismrutehe ghatadayaha ardha vidya bhajinaha syuhu. Then not only that, really speaking, you have another problem. If you go to Samadhi, you have a problem. Ghatam doesn't have that problem. What is that problem? He says, if you go to Samadhi, mosquitoes will come and make noise near your ears. They disturb your Samadhi, but pot doesn't have that problem. Dvaita Vismruti, Samadhina Dvaita Vismruti is there. How long? Until mosquito comes and make a bug here, zoi, 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 sound panna. And the only sound panna udane Dvaita Smaranam has come. But pot ke and the problem illa. Priya the joke, parunga next sloka adida. 188. Mashaka dhvani mukhyanam Vikshepanam bahutvatah Tava vidya tatha nasyat Ghatadinam yatha dridham. Whole sloka, one sentence way you have to do anvaya. Just I will arrange that in a sentence form, then I will give the meaning. Yatha, just as, ghatadinam, ghata, pot, etc., objects. Ghatadinam, vidya bhavati. Vidya bhavati means because half knowledge they are having already. Enna Dvaita Vismruti is there. Yatha ghatadayah artha vidya bhajinah bhavanti. They are all having half knowledge or not already. In Dvaita Vismruti is there. Therefore 50% knowledge they are having. Okay. Yatha ghatadayah ghatadinam vidya bhavati. Vidya dridha bhavati. Their Dvaita Vismruti is so strong. They will never get Dvaita Smriti. Dvaita Vismruti is so powerful. 24 hours, full week, full whole month, whole year, they have Dvaita Vismruti. But for you, see the word. Ghatadinam dridha bhavati parantu. What about you now? Your problem is tatha, like that. Tatha tava vidya dridha na syat. But your knowledge is not so strong. Tava vidya means who is sitting in samadhi with what? Ubhayam. What is that ubhayam? Dvaita Vismruti and Atmadhihi. Both are there. So your knowledge is not so strong just like pot. Because the reason he gives in the first shloka, first line, 188, first line, he gives Mashaka dhvani mukhyānām vikṣēpānām bahutvatah. So many distractions for you when you sit in samadhi. Lot of distractions. What are they? For example, mosquito coming near your ear. Mashaka dhvani. Have you heard Mashaka dhvani? It comes near your ear, makes such a noise. Where from that noise is coming, you know? Is it making from the mouth? No, it's a wings sound. Even you cannot see its wings. That means how fast it is moving its wings to bring such a noise to your ears. Mashaka means mosquito, dhvani, buzzing sound. Mukhyānām means what? Related to the face. Related to the face. Where you listen that dhvani? In your face only. In your face only, in the ear you hear. Mashaka dhvani mukhyānām. Mukhyānām means etc. also, or artham is there. Mukhya means related to the face. Mashaka dhvani, that makes noise, buzzing sound, it distracts, it disturbs you, and you lose samadhi because mosquito. Once you get mosquito disturbance, what has come? Dvaita Smriti. Mosquito disturbing, making noise in my ears. Vandachi Dvaitam. பாட்டுக்கு அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. So part Dvaita Vismruti Dridha. Samadhi, you are sitting, your Dvaita Vismruti is not Dridha. Who is great? Pata parandada better. Instead of taking birth like a human being, see pot, you are so fortunate, you won't get any problem. You are always having Dvaita Vismruti. Enakku paadu appappa Dvaita Vismruti poiduthe, enakku Dvaita Smriti varudhe. Dvaita Vismruti Smriti is not at all considered here. Kaha pashyet, kena pashyet, kam pashyet anna idha paityam ippadiya apply pandre. Vyavaharikama, Vidyaranya, just playing with words. People think moksha means going to samadhi, sitting silently. I should not blink. If I blink, I am ordinary Swamini. Because I should not see Dvaitam. Male or female, whatever happens. If I won't blink, she is the real Jnani, Muktaha. Liberated soul. Then she allows pinch pannanam. I went to Ayodhya recently. One Swami is sitting there. Really, I stunned. He is not blinking, he is seeing like that only. I sat nearly 10 minutes there. And his devotee sitting and talking about this Swami. I am looking at him, he is looking down there, no blinking, no smiling, no emotion, nothing, no feelings at all. I thought, my God, what a great Swami. Enake vandadu and thought for a few seconds. Then later everything over, we have given donation there and he started looking at us. Even prasad. He gave prasada and we did namaskara and came out. Like this people are and putting one saffron kanduva mele uttariyam or dhoti, something, some vesham. Like that people think. Adikku idi better. Who says? Vidyaranya says. Don't consider, don't act, don't cheat people, don't exploit people ignorance. No. Exploiting the people's ignorance in this manner, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and lakhs of people are there. They never know what is what. As long as you don't have thinking capacity, you will be exploited, you will be exploited, you will be exploited. Make use of your intellect to think. Allow your intellect to think. Don't accept, don't nod your head just like that. Understand what is what. Study Shastra. Your support is only Shastra. Guru is also only unfolder of Shastra. But Pramanam is Shastra Pramanam. We do not know human intellect limitations. Therefore, depend on Shastra more. Depend on Shastra more. Make use of Shastra. Don't hold on to the feet of the Guru and pulling him and you also fall. Guru Bhakti is not Guru Bhakti. Use your buddhi, use your Shastra. For that only Guru, not for anything else. If you take more than that, that bhakti goes more and more further without Shastra, you are in danger, Guru also in danger. It is harm to the society, harmful to the society. Our great acharyas never allowed Vyakti Puja. Remember, Vyakti Puja is not required. You can have Bhakti Shraddha, but cult is not at all good for you and for society, for our Vedic culture. Cult is not good. Cult means Vyakti Puja, Vyakti Aradhana. Never be focused. Vyakti should not be focused at all. Then what to be focused on? Shastram. Shastram eva pramanam. Nirdushta Shastram. Nirdushtam, dosha rahitam Shastram. However much the Guru, in Shastra we have given highest pedal to the Shastra only in our culture. The Guru we respect because he is holding the Shastra. He is unfolding the Shastra. That is why I respect Guru. If I do not know this, where to put barriers to what, Theriyalanna, I am only the loser, not anyone else. I must have some genuine, honest, intellect, thinking, Shastra. இப்போ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் என்னன்னா, சாஸ்திரம் விட்டுட்டு குருன்னு பிடிச்சிருக்கான் நிறைய பேர். என்ன சாஸ்திரம் எப்படி ஏறாது மண்டையிலோ? என்ன கஷ்டம், எங்க புரிய போறது நமக்கு? இந்த குரு பக்கத்துல இருந்தான கொஞ்ச நாள் நமக்கு நல்லது, நமக்கு எல்லாம் கிடைக்கும். கொஞ்சம் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் மாதிரி இருந்தான்னா அந்த குரு அந்த புகழ் நேம் ஃபேம் வச்சு நம்ம பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கோம் இல்லையோ நிறைய பேருன்னு. How many people are seeing? Because they never try to understand this Shastra. That is why those who cannot understand Shastra, Acharyas put them in Karma Yoga or Upasana Yoga. Do Karma Yoga, do service, contribute to the society. Your knowledge, your faculties, everything give to the society. Jump into the work. Don't come to me. Intelligent Acharyas put like that. That's what Dayananda Swamiji did. Aim for seva, kept for some group of people, those who cannot understand Shastra. Anyhow, என்ன கால் பிடிக்காதப்பா, நல்லா எய்ம் ஃபார் சேவா பண்ணு, நிறைய காரியம் பண்ணு, சித்த சுத்தி வரும். ஒரு நாளைக்கு குரு உனக்கே சொல்லி கொடுப்பார். இன்னும் என்ன பண்றது புரியறதுன்னா இந்த மாதிரில புரியுமா இந்த ஸ்லோகம் இல்ல கட்டமுக்கு ஹாஃப் நாலேஜ் இருக்குமான்னு அப்போ விஷயமே புரியல கட்டத்துக்கு ஹாஃப் நாலேஜ் எப்படி வரும்னா சும்மா ஜோக்கு அது மாதிரி இட்ஸ் நாட் ஏ ஜோக் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சாஸ்திரா நாட் ஏ ஜோக் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஓகே நான் எங்கிருந்தோ எங்கேயோ போயிட்டேன் சரி வாங்க அது பார்த்தா ரொம்ப ஜோக்கா இருக்கு இல்லையா தவ வித்யா ததா ந ஸ்யாத் விகாஸ் மஷ்க மஷகத்வனி முக்கியானாம் விக்ஷேபானாம் சமாதௌ when you are sitting in samadhi bahutvatah vikshepah lot of bahutvatah and from so many directions not only mashaka etc calling bell phone call milkman somebody calls somebody someone or other ant then when you are sitting quietly all will come to disturb you shreyamsi bahu vijnanam for you any good thing if you want to do there are so many obstacles and then you curse the people even this person disturbed me I lost my focusing I lost my meditation because my mamiar coughed she coughed neighbor sound something or other that's why this samadhi meditation also some addiction problem addiction people who goes to samadhi they become so subtle so sensitive even small sound also disturbs them because the meditating people all have this problem they sit and whatever even a pin drop and the pin கீழே விழுந்தா கூட அப்பா it like a big drum sound அவங்களுக்கு என்ன because of sensitivity the big meditation becomes an obstacle and a pot is better than you Vidyaranya says my pot is half knowledgeable enna dvaita vismriti is there no problem no tension no anxiety enna dvaitam it is not seeing at all enna you and pot are same like that parapa listen next shloka atmadhireva vidyeti यदि तर्हि सुखी भव दुष्टचित्तं निरुन्ध्याच्चेत् निरुन्धित्वं यथा सुखम् வித்யாரண்யா என்ஜாய் இந்த மாதிரி முட்டாள் ஆள் வச்சுன்னா என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் இல்லாமல் எப்படி இருக்கும் என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் தான் எனி ஹவு தி பூர்வபக்ஷி கன்வின்ஸ்டு வாட் ஓ ஆத்ம வித்யா ஓன்லி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் he has got conviction now atma vidya alone is important dvaita vismriti is secondary it is not at all important with regard to atma jnanam alone is aparoksha jnanam alone is moksha convinced finally then what atmadhihi eva vidya yadi uchyate now you have come to understand yadi suppose after my lot of scoldings teasing you have come atmadhihi eva vidya atma jnanam alone is real aparoksha jnanam vidya means aparoksha jnanam I am brahman this is atmadhihi jnana vritti this alone gives aparoksha jnanam iti uchyate chet if you say so you agree with me dhihi means antahkarana vritti uchyate chet tarhi then sukhi bhava may you be happy you are blessed sukhi bhava nanna irappa nanna ir vanditiye veliki nanna irappa if you are convinced if you accept may you be happy then what suppose he says dushta chittam nirundhyaschet I know I am brahman but my mind giving problems My mind is having viparita bhavana, problems, dvaitam, drishti is go on coming, lot of vasanas are coming out. Appadi sonniya na ottukuren. Dushta chittam, mind is going bad way. All evil thoughts, wrong thoughts, negative thoughts, unwanted thoughts, unhealthy thoughts, non-spiritual thoughts are coming. Appa enna pannanom? Not samadhi. Nirundhyaschet, control your mind. Follow Ashtanga Yoga. Chitta vritti nirodha. Nirundhyaschet, samadhi abhyasam kuru. May you do samadhi abhyasa. To control the mind, to discipline the mind, to avoid evil thoughts from your mind, you may practice some abhyasa, dharana, dhyana, samadhi, do abhyasa. Not for aparoksha jnanam. Adi vandi manassu nigrahatikkaha pannu. Dushta chittam nirundhya chet samadhi abhyasam kuru. If you want to control your mind, discipline your mind, control. Discipline that mind. Good. Do that job. Nirundhitvam yatha sukham. Nirundhitvam yatha sukham. Nirundhyat chet iti. Iti you have to supply there. If dushta chittam nirundhyat chet iti. No, I want to stop my mind, disturbing mind, problematic mind, turbulent mind. If you say so, iti, nirundhi. May you control, may you discipline that mind. Everybody is having, Lord Krishna himself said, everybody is having, including jnani, indriyasya arthe raga dvesham vyavasthitam. Tayoho vasham na agacche tau hyasya paripandhinam. So even Jnani also get raga dvesha. But Jnani knows how to handle the mind. Nirundhi, control, withdraw the mind from that distractions. Nirundhi, and what he says, Tvam yatha sukham. Nanna pannu. Practice pannu, nanna pannu, yatha sukham. கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக பண்ணு, எல்லாம் கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்க, உட்கார், மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணி போயிட்டு வரேன், நல்லா பண்ணப்பான்னா. ஆத்ம ஜானானுக்கு மனசுக்கு இருக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்கு எதுக்கு கனெக்ஷன் பண்ணுறேன்? ஆத்மதி விருத்தி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஜானம் அபரோக்ஷ ஜானம் இட் கிவ்ஸ். அத்ரைவ பிரம்ம சமஷ்ணுதே, நாட் இன் சமாதி. In class itself I can say I am pure existence consciousness principle. Job is over. After that also mind has got its own problems and issues. You handle them separately. It is good for you also, good for family members also, good for society also. Tondra pandade. It is good for everyone. Nirundhi yatha sukham. Nanna pannu. உனக்கு நல்லது, எல்லாருக்கும் நல்லது. எனக்கு ஞானி எதான்னு சொல்லி கோபமா பேசிட்டான்னா எல்லாருக்கும் கஷ்டம். அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஐனோ అని சொல்லி and shouting at others, always so angry and so he cannot withstand anything. Anna adu enna problem paadunga. I know I am Brahman, but this fellow, this person, so what? Anatma adu appadha irukum. Indriyasya adha raga dvesham vyavasthitam. Manasu apdi poyinde irukum. Nirundhi, control, handle properly. Don't burst out. Don't blurt out. Don't burst out. Everything is a drama. Just smilingly, cheerfully pass on. Correct பண்ண வேண்டிய இடத்துல பண்ணணும். Pass on and చెప్ప போனா அப்படி உனக்கு hit. They will hit you. Next shloka. புரியுறதோ? நல்லா practice பண்ணப்பா. 190. Next page 306. तदिष्टमेष्टव्यमायामयत्वस्य समीक्षणात् मेष्टव्यमायामयत्वस्य समीक्षणा इच्छन्नप्यज्ञवन्निच्छेत् किमिच्छन्निति हि श्रुतम्. I am doing overaction, I think. Okay, connected to subject. Sometimes I just merge into the dialogues. I may do some action also. I hope it will not disturb any student. Okay, and some students they look only hava bhava subject hava bhava of teacher. Sometimes it disturbs also some students. And the மாதிரி ஏதாவது டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ண ப்ளீஸ் எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ. ஓகே, that is my nature, my body mind complex nature. What to do? It has got its own limitation. Look into the shloka. Ishtam tat eshtavyam mayamayattvasya samikshanat. Now you have to do anvaya in the first line first separately. Eshtavya mayamayattvasya samikshanat tadu ishtam. We also like that. Ishtam. We also like that. What? Controlling the mind. Disciplining the mind. யாருக்கு பிடிக்காது? எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும். On the other hand, we recommend also Ashtanga Yoga, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi, Abhyasa. We recommend discipline your mind. Chitta Vritti Nirodhaha. Control your mind. All we say. Tanti Tikshasva Bharata. Arjuna, may you patiently forgive, accept it. Patiently you have to accept them. All we say is Mayamayattvasya samikshanat. Having seen everything is Mayamayam. Mayamayam is made out of Maya, Prakriti, Sattva, Rajas, Tamo gunas. 3 gunas it is made out of. Tadu ishtam bhavati. Asmakam ishtam bhavati. We also love that sadhana, controlling the mind, disciplining the mind. In spite of that I am Brahman, sometimes in certain situations, vulnerable situations, when they come and they provoke us, we also lose balance in the mind. We also accept that controlling the mind sadhana. Icchannapi agnyasya agnevat na icchet. See, Gnani, we are talking about Gnani. In spite of Gnanam, Gnani desires. This is what discussion going on. How can Gnani have desires? When he has got Advaita Gnanam, Dvaita is not real, how he can desire anything? This is the question. Yes, Gnani desire. So what? Icchan api, even though he or she desires, agnavat na icchet. Not like ignorant person they desire. They desire, but they never desire like an ignorant person. Icchannapi, Gnani has got desires. In spite of that, he never desire like agnavat. Like an ignoramus person, he never desire. Agnavat na icchet. That is why Upanishad says, Kimichan kasya kamaya iti shrutam. In this context only, Gnani desires. Upanishad says, Kaha kam kena. How he can desire? How he can desire like ignorant person? He never desire like ignorant person. He never see like ignorant person. He never talk like ignorant person. He talks, he sees, he smells, but not like ignorant person. Different cognitive change. That is the meaning you have to take. அவன் எப்படி பார்ப்பான், அவன் எப்படி திங்க் பண்ணுவான், அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? அவன் திங்கே பண்ண மாட்டான், பார்க்கவே மாட்டான்னு அர்த்தம். பார்ப்பவன், அவன் பார்ப்பவன். Go home and see the meaning of Parpavan. What is the meaning of Parpavan? Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.